Kita ke berita mancanegara. Kenaikan suku bunga acuan di Amerika Serikat 11 kali sejak 2022 akhirnya meredam laju inflasi dari puncaknya 9% lebih pada pertengahan 2022. Pada saat yang sama, ekspansi usaha tertekan dan ancaman resesi menekan dunia usaha dan bursa saham. Tapi angin segar datang dari pertemuan ekonomi di Jackson Hole. Dan berikut laporan Nova Purwadi dari VOA.
Dalam pertemuan tahunan, pimpinan Bank Sentral, ekonom, dan akademisi di Jackson Hole, negara bagian Wyoming, Kepala Bank Sentral AS atau Federal Reserve, akhirnya secara eksplisit menyatakan segera diturunkannya suku bunga acuan.
The time has come for policy to adjust. The direction of travel is clear, and the timing and pace of rate cuts will depend on incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks.
Jerome Powell mengungkapkan laju inflasi saat ini semakin mendekati target The Fed sebesar 2%.
4.5 years after COVID-19's arrival, the worst of the pandemic-related economic distortions are fading. Inflation has declined significantly. The labor market is no longer overheated.
Meski Kepala The Fed tak menyebut September sebagai dimulainya penurunan suku bunga, pengamat umumnya menilai Bank Sentral AS tak akan menunggu lebih lama lagi.
The dangers of waiting beyond September to cutting rates are primarily that these interest rates really make a significant impact on financing costs for companies and for individuals. Continuing to wait might just push us over the edge a little bit too far. We've already seen that unemployment has risen almost a full percentage point off the lows.
Awal Agustus, bursa saham terjun bebas merespons perlambatan penciptaan lapangan kerja dan peningkatan angka pengangguran yang menguatkan kekhawatiran dari investor bahwa Amerika Serikat masuk resesi. Pertemuan The Fed selanjutnya berlangsung 17 hingga 18 September, seminggu setelah terbitnya sejumlah indikator utama laju inflasi, termasuk indeks harga konsumen dan indeks harga produsen, lalu juga terbitnya data ketenaga kerjaan terbaru awal September. Pernyataan Powell di Jackson Hole hampir memastikan pada pertemuan itulah Bank Sentral akan mulai menurunkan suku bunga.
I think it was pretty clear from the speech that we know that there is a rate cut coming in September. And I also think we know pretty clearly that it's highly likely there'll be 3 more cuts to come. Now, the data could change, obviously, between now and then. But in terms of size, I would say that it's likely it's a 25 basis point cut. There was nothing in the speech to indicate the need for panic. And I think the Fed is just going to gradually cut. They're not going to want to spook market participants. But they also, as he acknowledged, want to make sure the labor market doesn't further soften. So I think what you're going to see is a series of gradual cuts, and eventually the Fed could get all the way down to 3% or even below if they're able to hit their 2% target.
Suku bunga acuan saat ini berada pada level 5,4 hingga 5,5%. Angka relatif tinggi tapi tak sampai separuh angka tertinggi pada tahun 1980-an. Saat laju inflasi juga sempat tak terkendali. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.